I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility, and are you curious on what accessories come with the new Helix by Travel Buggy? Stay tuned for this video. I'll go through all of the accessories. So I'm going to start with a run through. We've got the extra padded cushion, we have armrests, we have a rear storage case, and then we have a front basket. They also have online, they have a cell phone holder and like a cup holder. Those just have little mounts on them. I don't have those here today, but I'm going to go through each of these four and show you how to attach them to your chair. We're going to start with the easiest one. It's the Deluxe Cushion. Basically, it's the exact same as the cushion that's on there, except it's about twice as thick. Now, the cushion that comes with it is already a pretty comfortable cushion. As far as folding mobility scooters go, this is a very comfortable one to sit in. But if you need a little extra padding, you'll just take it off. It just sits on Velcro, and you'll set the new one on. Next is going to be your front storage bag right here. It's very nice. They say it's water resistant. It's got lots of different pouches, a little side if you want to put a cup in there. It's got a main zipper compartment. And then it also comes with a strap that goes all the way around it that you can mount. There's two little hooks on the sides here, and you can mount this strap if you do need that. And it mounts right up here up front. On the rear of this, you got three different Velcros. I like to start with the bottom one. It's got a little hook here. We're going to hook it through there and then tighten it on itself. I like to start on the bottom. I find that easier. We'll push it through and then strap it. And these other two, once we're on the bottom, we can slide it to the correct height. So it should be right around here. And then we will mount these these side ones around the handlebars. Once it's on, you're good to go. It's pretty secure on there because it's being held in place by three different tie-down points. And then you can access it and use it as kind of a front basket. Next is going to be our armrests. They're right here. They go onto the side of the scooter. Now, it does not come with armrests. Like I said, these are an optional accessory. You don't necessarily need them, but some people like having that extra support. So in order to mount this, we're going to come around to the back. But first, when you're unboxing your arms, make sure you check the bag that they're in because the screws to mount them are also in that bag. So don't just throw away that bag and lose the screws for your armrest. So your armrests are going to mount in these square brackets on the back of your seat. Now what we're going to do from the factory, they have these little rubber stoppers in. We're going to just kind of pop those out because the arms are going to slide in there. We're going to take our screw on the outside. There's a little threaded hole. We're going to stick the screw in. And I'm just going to start it. You don't want to get it threading all the way in because then it'll block your arms. Once it's in, we're going to slide the arm in. And you'll go in as far as you need so you can go closer to the chair or wider. Once you get it wherever you want it, we're going to go ahead and tighten this. And that'll take out any wobble and keep your arms in place. Now, one thing to note is your arms, if you do push them past this bracket, so you can see how I have an extra inch here, it is blocking your battery here. So if you want to take your rear battery out, it's going to block it. It's also going to block your charging port on your rear battery, but you still have your front battery on this unit and you can charge both batteries through the front battery, so you don't have to access this, but it will stop you from being able to take this battery out. You can still remove the front one if you want, but it will block this one. We'll do the same on the other side. The last accessory I have is the rear storage bag right here. And basically this is going to go around your seat. I'll come to a little bit of a better view of it in a second, but it's got a zipper. They say it's water resistant and it's a soft bag, but the back is hard and puncture resistant. So if you do back into something, it will protect whatever is inside this bag. So that's a pretty neat feature. It looks really well made. So now I'll show you how to mount it. So this is the mounting system. This flap is going to go over your chair. And you've got these two straps that are going to clip in. They're going to clip in to these right here. So this whole thing is going to wrap around the top of the chair. This third one is actually not used and they're removing it from future products. It was just a mistake when they had this first round of bags ordered or made for them. So that's not going to be there most likely when you get it. If it does, just clamp it in and ignore it because it's not used for anything. There's nowhere for it to attach. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna lengthen these a little bit. So it just goes over, and then the strap's gonna go over, and then they're gonna come out through that hole right there. What you can do, you can take your cushion off and fold this down. It'll give you a little bit more room, but your straps are gonna go under and come out through there. And now that that's attached, I'm gonna just go ahead and tighten these up. So this is where it's a little easier to lay it down, so I'm just tightening it up. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And there we go, we have a nice rear storage bag. This has been your accessories showcase for the new Helix by Travel Buggy. If you're interested in this product, go ahead and give us a call or check the link in the description below. I have a link to this video. I also have a full review and an unboxing video as well on this unit, so go ahead and check those out. I'll have those linked as well. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to help make sure that this product will suit your needs. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.